Yes, student. So today we will do the assessment, page number 56. First question of your chapter number 4 assessment is a formula in Excel always start with. Very good, Sanjeev. So I can see everyone is saying equal. Okay. So this is the right one. So we will choose the answer and see if this is correct or not. So we have chosen this. Yes, this is correct. Very good. Next question we are having. When you type the cell address of first reference cell after equal sign, then a color border appear around the reference cell. What is the meaning of this question? मीन्स जब भी आप किसी सेल को क्लियर सिलेक्ट करते हो इक्वल साइन के बाद तो कौन सा कलर आता है उसकी रेफरेंस में? एवरीवन इज सेइंग ब्लू. लेट्स चेक इफ दिस इज करेक्ट और नॉट. Yes, this one is correct. So answer 2 is blue. Next question. It is easy to create a formula using pointing method as you do not need to type dash in the formula bar. Answer. Yes, tell me the answer for third one. Okay, so many students are saying cell address. They are saying answer C. Let's check if this is correct or not. Very good. This one is correct answer. So, it is easy to create a formula using pointing method as you don't need to type cell address. Now, what is the meaning of cell address? जो आप लिखते हो ना equal to sum A2 up to A8 या फिर A2 up to A7, A2 up to Z8, इट मीन्स आपको सेल का एड्रेस लिखना नहीं पड़ रहा, आप जस्ट सिलेक्ट करते हो. ओके, उसे हम बोलते हैं सेल एड्रेस. सो आंसर इज सेल एड्रेस. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यूजिंग द fill handle you can create a formula, edit a formula, copy a formula or delete a formula. Yes, tell me the answer for this one. Using fill handle, what we can do? Okay, okay. Create a formula. No. Can we create or can we copy? Okay, let's check. So first we will go with create a formula. That is incorrect. If we will go with copy, that is correct. Okay, fill handle is used for copying the content. So fill handle we also have in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint also. Like अगर आपने 2 लाइन लिखी और दोनों लाइंस का अलग अलग फॉन्ट आ रहा है, ठीक है, आपको सेम फॉन्ट करना है तो आप एक लाइन को सिलेक्ट करके फिल हैंडल की हेल्प से दूसरी लाइन पे भी सेम फॉन्ट आप कॉपी कर सकते हो. तो फिल हैंडल हमेशा हर ऐप में कॉपी के लिए यूज आता है. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? So remember this thing, fill handle is used for copying the formula or copying the formatting content. Okay, next question on the screen. Question number 5th. The dash option present in editing group on home tab can be used to insert commonly used functions without creating them. Yes, tell me the answer. Which option present in editing group on the home tab can be used to insert commonly used function without creating them? And we have used this function throughout all the classes. So if you were aware during your live classes, you must answer this question. No one is answering. No, I don't think this one is right one. No. Okay, so students are telling A. Fill. Let's check if this is correct or not. This is incorrect. Next, someone is telling C. Incorrect. Now we are having 2 more options here. Fast. Tell me which one is correct. Sanjeev. Very good. Sanjeev is saying auto sum. That is correct. So I will show you this thing. Why auto sum? What is the meaning of this question? See, here in home tab or in file tab, one second. if we will deselect it. Okay, so in this way, in home tab you can see this auto sum is available. Okay, so with the help of this auto sum we can apply our function automatically. Okay, so this is the answer, auto sum. Answer is D. Next question. Charts help to dash, analyze data, make comparison, visually represent numeric data, and all of these. Shalok, after this explanation, I will give you chance for clearing your doubts. Okay? Yes, tell me the answer, beta, fast. Charts help to analyze data, make comparison, visualize, represent numeric data, or all of these. What should be the answer, everyone? Students are saying C, some are saying Anishka, very good beta. Yeah, some more guesses please. थिंक बिफोर यू आंसर. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, थोड़ा सोचो. आपने चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड किया, प्रैक्टिकल किया, तो जो भी आप आंसर दे रहे हो पहले उसके बारे में सोचो कि वो क्या पूछ रहा है. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग कि चार्ट आपको क्या हेल्प करता है. आप एनालाइज कर सकते हो डेटा को, कंपैरिजन कर सकते हो कि किसने ज़्यादा स्कोर किया, किसने कम स्कोर किया, या फिर उसको देख सकते हो. विजुअलाइज मीन्स उसको देख सकते हो, आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, आप जस्ट चार्ट देख के विजुअलाइज कर सकते हो कि हाँ किसके मार्क्स ज़्यादा हैं, किसके कम है. So here answer is all of these. Okay, so here auto sum. Oh, what happened? Amish is there. Okay, so here all of this is the answer. Okay, next question we are having. These charts use horizontal bars to visually represent data. Yes, answer. Answer is okay. So students are saying A. Very good. So answer is A. Correct. Question number 6. Okay, which is question number 6? The function library of MX Excel can be accessed from function library group on dash tab. So on which tab we are having this option? Question number 6. Answer is C, formula. Yes, students. Question number 6. The function library of MX Excel can be accessed from function library group on the dash tab. So which tab? Options are given here wrong in my book. I can see there is error. So answer for this one is formula. Okay, so just write in, fill in the blanks because options are given wrong here. No formula is here. Answer is formula. Okay. Okay, just correct this one. Write formula in filling the blanks. Okay, students? Okay, so question number 7 we have done all of these. Question number 8, answer is A, bar chart. Yes, Gargi, answer for 6 is formula. Yes, I will upload this work on Lotus Valley app also, Mansi. Now, we will continue with the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first we are having a formula can contain function, cell references, operators, and what we have in? Very good, Himanshu. So answer is constants. If we will write Why it's saying wrong? Some error is there, but answer is correct. Constants will be there, okay? Next is argument of a function may have the name of dash or a dash enclosed in parentheses. Yes, write down your answer, everyone. Function and argument list. No. Answer is individual cell individual individual cell or a cell range. Okay, answer is this. Individual cell or a cell range. Okay, write it down, everyone. Anshika, I have write down on the board. Next, we are having the dash option helps you to search for a particular function from function library. So, answer is insert function. Okay. So, third filling the blanks, answer is insert function. Okay. Yes. Next question. A dash is a visual representation of numeric data. Answer please. Which is a representation of numeric data? Very good, students. So answer is chart. C-H-A-R-T. Okay. Last question of your assessment. Dash chart is known as XY chart. Very good, Himanshu. Bhavna, correct your spelling. Muskan, very good. So answer is scatter chart known as an XY chart. Okay, so now we have completed your chapter number 4 and this objective question we have completed.